Good day everyone. Welcome to Teacher Julie channel. Hello everyone. We have our new lesson in Introduction to the Philosophy, which is all about the method of philosophizing. This will be the first quarter topic and week 2. This lesson is under the milk-based. For the most essential learning competencies, after going through this lesson, you are expected to first distinguish opinion from truth. The second one is to realize that the methods of philosophy lead to wisdom and truth. And the last one is to evaluate the truth from opinions in different situations using the methods of philosophizing. The method of philosophizing, it refers to a systematic approach to critical thinking and inquiry that lies at the heart of the philosophical tradition. At its core, this method involves a disciplined process of questioning assumptions, analyzing arguments, and considering multiple perspectives on complex issues. Why is it this method of philosophizing so valuable? When applied effectively, it empowers us to think more rigorously, make more informed decisions, and engage more meaningfully with the world around us. The following are the few of the key benefits of the methods of philosophizing. The first one is its sharper critical thinking. The philosophizing method trains us to dig beneath the surface, challenge our own biases, and explore issues from diverse angles. This cultivates a more nuanced, well-rounded perspective that goes beyond simplistic either-or thinking. The following are the example of sharper critical thinking in method of philosophizing. Suppose the issue at hand is the ethics of technological automation. A simplistic either-or view might be to say that automation is either entirely good because it increases efficiency and productivity, or entirely bad because it eliminates jobs. However, applying the philosophizing method would lead us to dig deeper. So we would question our assumptions about the true impacts of automation. Is it always a net positive or negative, or are there more nuanced effect? We would analyze the various arguments made by different stakeholders such as business leaders, workers, economists, and policymakers. We would actively consider also the multiple perspectives such as the benefits of the increased productivity, the rest of workers' displacement, the potential for new job creation, and ethical implementation or implication of replacing human labor, and so on. Another key benefits of methods of philosophizing is the stronger problem solving. By breaking down problems, scrutinizing evidence, and anticipating counter-arguments, the philosophizing approach equips us with the systematic toolkit for navigating complex real-world challenges. Just for example, consider the challenge of deciding what to have for dinner. A simplistic approach might be to just go with your first impulse or default to the easiest option. However, applying the philosophizing method would involve a systematic process. Break down the problem. So what all the factors to consider, such as the dietary needs, time constraints, budget, personal preference, and etc. Also, you need to scrutinize the evidence. What are the specific pros and cons of different meal options? What information do you need to make an informed decision? And the last one is to anticipate counter-arguments. What objections might others have to your dinner choice? How can you preemptively address those concerns? Another key benefits of methods of philosophizing is to have more effective communication. Philosophizing emphasizes the importance of clear, logical argumentation. This skills is invaluable for expressing our ideas persuasively and engaging in constructive dialogue. For example, consider a simple scenario. You're trying to convince your friend to join you for a hike this weekend. A basic approach might be to just say something like, "It will be fun. We should go hiking this weekend." However, applying the philosophizing method would involve a more structured, logical argument. Start with a clear claim or thesis. We should be hiking this weekend because it will be good for our physical and mental health. And then provide supporting evidence. Hiking is an excellent form of exercise that can improve our cardiovascular fitness. It also allows us to spend time in nature, which has been shown to reduce stress and boost our mood. The third one is to anticipate and address the counter arguments. I know you're worried it might be too much physical exertion, but we can choose a trail that will suited to our fitness levels, and we can pack a picnic lunch to make it an enjoyable and relaxing experience. Conclude with a clear call to action. So what do you say? Shall we plan a hike together this weekend? And another key benefits of philosophizing method is the greater civic engagement. Perhaps most importantly, the method of philosophizing fosters the kind of engaged, informed citizen that is essential for a healthy democracy. It empowers us to be more discerning consumers of information and more thoughtful contributors to the public discourse. For example, consider a simple scenario. You see a news headlines about a new policy being proposed by your local government. A basic and informed response might be to quickly share the headline on social media and add an emotional reaction without really understanding the full context of implications. However, applying the philosophizing method would lead to a more engaged and thoughtful approach. First is question assumption. Don't just take the headline's face value. Dig deeper to understand the actual details on the proposed policy. And then, analyze the arguments. Look at the different perspective and arguments being made by supporters, critics, and experts. What are the key points on both sides? And the third one is to consider multiple viewpoints. How might this policy impact different segments on the community in different ways? Whose voices and concerns are being represented or not? And the last one is to engage in constructive dialogue. Rather than just ranting on social media, seek out opportunities to have nuanced and fact based discussions with fellow citizens and policymakers.